very windy. What's up guys, I'm back with another video. We're actually in the middle of a hurricane right now. Hurricane Nicole is still passing over us. The wind's died down a lot since last night, but it's still pretty windy out. And as you can see, and I wanted to go rain drifting, so let's do it. You're about to see what I did yesterday, but I wanted to go out again today and kind of see some of the damage that the hurricane brought and do some more drifting. Alright, I'm gonna do the whole intro again because I don't know if that even recorded, but it's Hurricane Nicole and it's barely even raining, but we're still going street drifting. That's the easiest way to do a U-turn.
Oh shit. Oh, smooth as fuck. The roads are nice for it though.
What? Did it?
The roads are nice for it.
Yeah, I know, they're wicked slick. I was like, it's anytime it rains here, the roads get so slippery that you can just cruise. It's like driving a high horsepower car, but you're in this fucking slow ass car, you know what I mean? Like it makes this thing feel like it has like 900 horsepower.
Oh shit.
Oh, that was bad. Nah, I want to do that again.
So you turn right here. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Oh fuck, I think I can record it.
It's okay. I wish it was like, I wish there was no little thing in the middle.
Yeah.
So I could just go like all the way out. We found a spot. Hopefully it's slippery because I can't really tell. Maybe not. Dude, it's bumpy back here. It's not that slippery.
Yeah, it's not.
There's a truck right there. Fuck 'em.
Oh fuck.
That's slippery.
That was good though.
Safe.
It felt good. It felt smooth.
Yeah, that was nice. What about back here? Dude, this is promising.
Oh yeah, that shit is nice.
It's so slippery.
Damn.
The diff. Chirp, 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 chirp. Go. Hole 3.
Oh shit.
What? Dude, that grips up
You scared
instantly.
the fuck out of me, bro.
Did I?
I thought you were gonna fucking hit the rear into that, bro.
No. Do another one?
Oh shit.
It's so fun,
I
dude.
have to record. No way. That's crazy.
Do you want to do one from the outside after?
Oh yeah, I got you.
It feels crazy. 360 real quick?
It's raining harder now too.
Third? Nah, third's too. Third's too third,
Can
you know?
imagine with a boosted car?
Oh my god, it'd be so fun. Dude, that lot's fun. I gotta remember that. Ooh. That was like the whole.
How are you so confident that you're not gonna that you know your car's gonna grip and
You just gotta be. Yeah, you just gotta trust it, kinda. And if it breaks, then it breaks. You see why I like rear-wheel drive cars so much now?
Yeah.
Dude, this road's so fucked. Oh wait, was it that? It was that, wasn't it?
Oh, yeah, that was perfect.
Don't want to miss it.
Keep it going all the way.
I don't know about all the way. Too much. I'm starting in second gear, that's how slippery it is. Another 360. Oh, I fucked it up. God damn it.
What, did that pedal fuck it up?
No, I fucked it up. I just entered all weird. Let's get out of here. That was the first time I've ever done one.
Really?
Yeah.
Crazy. They didn't seem like it though.
I know.
They seemed like
I mean, like I sort of knew what to do. I just kind of winged it and it worked. All right, bro. Luckily, we live on a hill, so there's no major flooding or anything. My car is actually right in here. This is my friend's car. My car's in here. Dry. And last hurricane, Hurricane Ian, which was supposedly the worst hurricane, this whole apartment complex down here got all flooded. So I guess we'll see if there's any similar flooding going on. Doesn't look too bad down there, luckily. Yeah, that pond last time was very full. It's not this time, which is good. I gotta get my friend to move his car though. Oh yeah, see just how bald my tires really are. Yeah, those are getting down there for sure. much angle. Might go back in there because that spot was kind of fun. These little parking lots are so much fun. Too much throttle. That was fun though. It's pretty wide. You can actually get it sideways pretty fast. No! I almost had it. I wish there was something else I could link that into, because like that part's really fun. You come around. I wish I could like, I mean, I guess I could go through there, but I'm gonna try that actually. Like you hit that and then you just gotta drive straight. I wish I could like keep it going until like a full line. I feel like I'm still gonna just straighten out there, but at least I can kind of link something. Like you come around this, and then yeah, see, you straighten out. I mean, and then I guess you can come in like this, but then you straighten out again, and then I guess you can come into here. And then you straighten out again. Like you see, you get the point, right? It's just too long to actually link anything. But this spot right here is pretty fun. So you can kind of, it gets so slippery right there. You don't want to like give it too much gas or you'll lose it. My GoPro keeps sliding down. And then you come back into this. Alright, I'm probably gonna head out. That was fun, but I don't want to overstay my welcome, if you know what I mean.